No doubt, attraction is not only about looks, but attractive people have a certain primordial magnetism. Of course, we can be physically attracted to someone, but we are more often drawn to their confidence, their passion, and also their personality. So, in a nutshell, I think being attractive is about more than just the appearance. Hello to all my revolutionary sisters out there. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. On this channel where we talk about girls, tips, femininity, life motivation, and self-discovery. On today's video, I would like to talk about how to be secretively attractive as a woman. So as I've already stated that I believe that being attractive is more than just looks or the appearance. So on today's video, I'm gonna be breaking down some simple tips and steps on how to become more attractive, but doing it secretively. Okay, stay tuned. Number one, if you are looking on becoming more attractive but secretively, it will be smile more often. Smiling has so much benefit on human health. Human health benefits such as it can reduce pain, lower blood pressure, and also can also improve our immune system. And firstly, a smile makes you appear more approachable, and secondly, smiling contributes to how other people perceive you, which makes you to be more generally approachable as well as pleasant to be around. So constantly wearing a smile, a last impression that could be secretively attractive, and it could draw people to be around you. Tip number two, it will be find your signature smile. Wearing a deodorant and a perfume is crucial when it comes to being more attractive. Having a delicate scent is a silent way to draw attention to yourself. It calls people to like you even without knowing you. I think perfumes are a great way of taking care of ourselves. Why? Because smelling good can help you uplift your mood and also boost your self-confidence. And also smelling good can make you appear more attractive without even saying a word. I'm not saying that you should opt for those expensive fragrances if you cannot afford them, but then if you can afford them, go for it. So here I have tips on how to actually keep your perfume smelling throughout the day. So to keep your perfume smelling throughout the day, you should apply at your pulse point. So what am I talking about when I talk of a pulse point? I'm talking about your wrist, your elbow, behind your ears, your neck, and even your heart, and at the back of your knees. So how does applying or spraying your perfume at this area helps? Because the skin is more tiny at those points, so it makes it more closer to our blood and our body heat. So the friction, it causes it to last even more longer. So remember to keep your skin well moisturized to help the fragrance to stay long. Number three, it will be pay attention to your body language. If you are looking into appearing secretively attractive, body language is one of the factors of how others perceive us. So naturally, you can appear more attractive by improving or bettering your body language to make an impact. So now let's discuss how to make attractive body language. The first one could be making eye contact when you are around people. The second one is to have your back upright while sitting or walking. The third one, it will be avoid keeping your hands folded. Tip number four, it will be carry yourself with confidence. People consider confidence as the most attractive quality in a person. Confidence creates an aura that draws people in you. So to be secretively attractive, you need to invest time in working on improving your confidence. So which ways can one use to improve confidence? Number one, you can practice self-affirmation every day in the morning. Secondly, practice positive thinking. The third one, it will be develop boundaries and stick by them no matter what. And lastly, develop a self-esteem and believe in yourself. This is important because it will make you feel better and more attractive. There is no truth which is more than this. When you have confidence in yourself, most definitely others will follow. A tip number 5 on how to appear more secretively attractive, it will be show interest in others. This could be from various spaces and conversation. By simply being an interesting person, it means you must be interested. I mean, no one wants to be in a conversation with a person that only talks about themselves or constantly on their phones. Showing interest in others that you are involved with. So how do we actually show interest with the people that we are involved with? The first one, you will be asking questions, listening actively. The second one, it will be showing a genuine interest. This will radically make you appear secretively attractive. They will surely remember you and feel more drawn to you. Tip number 6, it will be pursue your passion. Living a life you love will naturally radiate excitement and attract people to you. Your passion could be about anything from enjoying reading, dancing, traveling. Actually, I think exploring your hobby, a hobby that you love, this will make you more interesting and fulfilled, while also makes you to appear more attractive to others who share the same passion as you. So no lies. Thinking about all those who are living through their passion, they possess such a secretive attraction without saying a word, but using their passion to do all the work for them. Tip number 7 on how to secretively look attractive, it will be taking pride in your appearance. This takes about an inside and an outside work. Investing in a healthy eating habit, getting enough sleep, practicing a good hygiene, and most importantly, stay active. So, also developing an individual sense of style. It could also provide a great outlet for self-expression. This is all about learning about your body type, and the type of style include that accentuate your body type. So let's understand me, ladies. I'm not saying that you need to look like a supermodel, but all that I'm saying is that taking pride in your appearance will leave you a great attractive impression that causes you to appear more secretively attractive.
Believe in yourself. When you think you can't do this or you're just not good at it, is the time you need to believe in yourself the most. The way you look at yourself is the way the world will look at you. You can't change people's opinions. I'm pretty sure 50% of you might not agree with what I say or might not like me, but that does not change what I think about myself, do I? I come off as a very strong, confident woman. I know exactly what I get to the table, and that will never change. So your perspective about me might change or might not change, but it will never affect what I think about myself. And that's how you gain confidence. It's your life, it's your hair, it's your body. How you feel about yourself is what matters. Are you feeling healthy? Are you feeling pretty? Are you feeling confident is up to you. But the minute you give that power to somebody is when you know it's not going the way you want. And that's the power you should take away from everyone.